Welcome. If you've ever started uploading a file to Google Drive and realized you need to stop it, maybe you picked the wrong file, or your internet connection is slow, this quick guide is for you. Today, you'll learn the simplest way to stop a file upload in progress on Google Drive, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive account, either on your computer or mobile device. Once you've started an upload, you'll notice a small upload bar or progress box appear, usually at the bottom right of the screen. This bar shows the name of the file being uploaded and a progress indicator. To stop the upload, swipe down or scroll to reveal the upload bar if it isn't already visible. This is where you can monitor the status of your current uploads. Once you see the upload bar, look for the Cancel button. On most devices, it's either labeled Cancel or shown as an X icon. Tap or click on this button. As soon as you hit Cancel, Google Drive will immediately halt the upload process. You'll see a message confirming that the upload has been canceled, and the file will not be saved to your drive. This gives you full control, allowing you to avoid uploading unwanted files, or to stop an upload that's taking too long due to a slow connection. If you change your mind, you can always restart the upload at any time by selecting the file again and repeating the upload process. But knowing how to quickly stop an upload can save you time, storage space, and frustration. That's all there is to it. Just swipe down to see the upload bar and tap on Cancel. It's a simple, effective way to manage your files and keep your Google Drive organized. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks on using Google Drive.